Hi, my name is Max and you're on my Mentalist channel. Today, as I promised, I will show you what I am doing in order to master the skill of telekinesis, i.e. moving of objects with the power of mind. But before we begin the practice, we must clean all our thoughts. To do this, I meditate, and not in the lotus position, but just sitting on the couch. My back is straight, legs are in the right angle, the body is relaxed and breathing is calm. I sit so for about 20 minutes. At this time, we should not think about anything. At first, thoughts will still come to your head. A quick cleansing comes after the daily practice. I, for one, can stay without thoughts for more than half a minute, so I still need a lot of practice. After that, I do one simple exercise. Body position is the same as in meditation. I imagine that my energy is in my solar plexus. Then I put my palms parallel to each other, close my eyes and try to mentally send the energy from the solar plexus to the fingertips of my right hand first, then to my left hand. You can visualize how the energy flows through your hand, reaching up to the fingertips. At first you can't feel anything, all comes with daily practice. Next, keeping your hands parallel to each other, slowly push them out to the sides and bring them back. Thus, it's necessary to feel that the air hardens between your hands, and you feel as you need to make effort to bring them back. You can imagine that there is a hot ball of energy between your palms. You can feel the tingling in the fingertips when you do this exercise. It means that you are doing everything right, and invisible energy is really appearing between your palms. After that, initially I did another simple exercise. I drew a black dot on a sheet of paper. Then I sat and stared at this point for about 15 minutes. In this case, you should try to think about this black dot only and about nothing else. What does it do? You must be able to concentrate without being distracted by extraneous things. Then you can draw two dots at a small distance from each other and try to bring them together with just a look. Having done these exercises with black dots a few days, I switched to another, more serious exercise. For this, I took a box of matches, stuck a needle in the middle of it, and on top of the needle I put a paper square. To make it, just fold the paper a few times, that way. Now it can spin on the needle. Then cover it with a glass jar for purity of the experiment. Now you can start practicing. I concentrate on the paper and try to make it spin. How can you make it spin? There are different methods. For example, imagine that your hands are a magnet and a piece of paper is made of metal, and try to move it with your hands. You can just send mental comments for this paper square, rotate, move, etc. You can visualize the movement of paper, imagine how it moves. You can also imagine that a ray of light goes from the center of the forehand, and this ray pushes a piece of paper. Or you can imagine that the paper is a part of your body, and you can easily manage it, as you can do it with your limbs. In general, there are many methods, and I don't know yet which one will suit me, because I still wasn't able to make spin a piece of paper. But I'm sure that I just need more practice, and everything will work out. That are the exercises I do to master the skill of telekinesis. Write about your results in the comments. I'm glad I have such supporters. Thank you for watching and I wish you luck. See you!